So if you're a graphic designer and you like to upload, download, and email files faster, stick around because you're about to learn how to make large files smaller in Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator without necessarily sacrificing quality. Large graphic files are perfect for printing, but not so much for viewing online and attaching to messages. When you only need to review or proof the design, it is best to optimize. There are a few ways to do this. I will show you my go-to methods. Let's start with Photoshop. Open your design and go to File, then to Export, Save for Web Legacy. I like to use Save for Web Legacy because it gives me several options. You can save as JPEG or PNG or a few other formats. You can use a preset for the quality or dial it in manually. Hit Save to see the results. If you are working with a large file in InDesign, go to File and then Export. Use the drop-down menu to change the format to Adobe PDF Print. In the Export PDF window, set the preset to smallest file size. And if you're done, click Export. The default setting for smallest file size usually works just fine. However, if you want to fine-tune your settings, for example, you may want something even smaller in file size or something slightly better in quality, click on Compression in the left side menu. Adjust the downsampling compression and the 4 images above limits. What does that mean? With the settings in this example, any original image above 150 ppi or pixels per inch will be compressed or downsized to 100 ppi. Note, if your design includes an image where the original resolution is already below 150, it will not be compressed. In that case, you would need to reduce the 4 images above amount so it is below the PPI of the original. You can check the PPI in the links panel in InDesign. In Illustrator, you can export a JPEG just like we did in Photoshop or a PDF like we did in InDesign. For the JPEG, go to File, Export, and Save for Web. Adjust the settings and save. For a PDF, go to File, Save a Copy, change the format to Adobe PDF, adjust the settings exactly like we did in InDesign. You got it. Now you can work faster when emailing and posting large files for review. Remember to always save or export your project as a new file so you don't copy over the original. Also, the settings that I used in this video work great for me. You may need to customize your output for a file quality and size that works best for you.